Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about 2015 NET paper 1. In this video I will explain all the questions in detail. The correct answers are marked with the blue sketch. First question is which of the following is the highest level of cognitive ability? Given options are first one is the knowing, second one is the understanding, third one analyzing, fourth one evaluating. In this one correct answer is the evaluating. The explanation for this question is according to Bloom's taxonomy, cognitive abilities progress from lower to higher levels. In this order: knowing, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, creating. Evaluating is the highest level because it requires judgment, reasoning, and the decision-making skills. Which of the following factors does not impact teaching? The given options are teachers' knowledge, classroom activities that encourage learning. Third, socio-economic background of teachers and students. Fourth one, learning through experience. Explanation: correct answer is the fourth one, learning through experience. Explanation for this question is the teachers' knowledge, classroom activities, and socio-economic background all influence teaching quality. Learning through experience is a learning method, not a factor that affects teaching, so it does not directly impact the teaching process. Hence, the correct answer is the learning through experience. Next question is which of the following statements about teaching aids are correct? That is, given options are: they help me retaining concepts for longer duration, they help students learn better, they make teaching learning process interesting. D option is they enhance rote learning. Correct answer is the second one, A, B, C. Explanation for this one is improve memory. A, correct one, helps students understand better. B, second correct, make learning enjoyable and engaging. Correct option. Do not promote rote learning. It is incorrect one. Next question is techniques used by a teacher to teach include. Given options are lecture. B option is the interactive lecture. C option is the group work. D is the self-study. Correct option is the self-study. Self-study is done by the student, not the teacher. Lecture is correct one. Interactive lecture is the correct one. Group work correct one. So correct option is the self-study. Next question is the fifth one. Achievement tests are commonly used for the purpose of. Given options are making selection for a specific job, selecting candidates for a course. Third one is identifying strength and weakness of learners. Fourth one, assessing the amount of learning after teaching. The correct answer is the fourth one, that is assessing the amount of learning after teaching. Explanation for this question is achievement tests are measured what students have learned after instruction. They check learning outcomes, knowledge gain, and learning progress. Next question is a good teacher is one who. Given options is first one is gives useful information. Second one is explains concepts and principles. Third one is gives printed notes to students. Fourth one is inspires students to learn. Correct answer is the fourth one, inspires students to learn. Explanation for this question is a truly good teacher does more than give notes or information. They motivate and inspire students, which leads to long-term learning and success. Inspiration is considered the highest quality of a teacher. Next question is which of the following statements regarding the meanings of research are correct? First option is research refers to a series of systematic activity or activities undertaken to find out solution of a problem. B option is it is a systematic, logical, and an unbiased process wherein verification and hypothetical. Third, it is an intellectual inquiry or quest towards the truth. For D option is it leads to enhancement of knowledge. The correct answer is the fourth one, that is A, B, C, D. Explanation for this one is all four statements correctly described research, systematic, logical and unbiased, quest from truth adds to knowledge. Next question is a good thesis writing should involve reduction of punctuation and grammatical errors to a minimum, careful checking of references. C is the consistency in the way the thesis is written. Fourth one is D, a clear and well written abstract. Correct answer is A, B, C, that is the first one. Explanation for this one is a high quality thesis must include correctness, grammar, proper referencing, writing consistency, a clear abstract. All are essential. So, 4 are correct. Next question is Jean Piaget gave a theory of cognitive development of humans on basis of the given options are first one is the fundamental research, second one is the applied research, third one is the action research, fourth one is the evaluation research. Correct answer is the first one, fundamental research. Explanation for this question is Piaget conducted basic or fundamental research aiming to build theories, not to solve immediate practical problems. Next question is male and female students perform equally well in a numerical aptitude test. Given options are first one is research hypothesis, null hypothesis, directional hypothesis, statistical hypothesis. In this one, correct answer is the second one, that is the null hypothesis. Explanation for this one is a null hypothesis says no difference exists between two groups. The statement says both perform equally, no difference. Next question is the conclusion or finding of which type of research cannot be generalized. Given options are the first one is the historical research, second one is the descriptive research, third one is the experimental research, fourth one is the casual comparative research. In this one, correct answer is the first one, that is the historical research. Explanation about this question is the historical research studies past events. Past findings cannot always be applied to the present, so they cannot be generalized to other situations. Next question is the fourth one. Next one is which of the following steps are required to design a questionnaire? That is the first A option is writing primary and secondary aims of the study. B option is the review of the current literature. C, prepare a draft of questionnaire. D, revision of the draft. The correct option is the fourth one. All are correct answers. Explanation for this one is all four are essential steps. Define aims, what you want to measure, review literature, avoid mistakes, prepare draft, first version, revise, final questionnaire. So all steps are required. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.